ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಹಕ್ಕು. ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವರ್ಗದವರು ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿಯೇ ಹೆತ್ತವರು ಕೂಡ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಅನ್ವೇಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅದುವೇ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ. ತನ್ನ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೆಸರು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳು, ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದೀಗ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನ ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನ ನಡೆಸಲಾಯಿತು. ನಗರದ ಕುದ್ಮುಲ್ ರಂಗರಾವ್ ಪುರಭವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಸಸಿಕಾಂತ್ ಸೆಂಥಿಲ್ ಅವರು ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಿತವಚನ ನೀಡಿದ್ರು.
Fascinating, isn't it? Won't we be enthralled if we ever had the chance to experience time travel? This quintessentially brings us to the theme of our annual day, time travel. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished guests, teachers, parents, and our dear students. It gives us immense pleasure to invite and present before you Presidency School Bangalore believes in providing a platform to our parents to witness the blossoming of their vast talents under the continuous mentoring that has taken place in school.
Hailing from Chennai, Sri Sasikanth Sensith did his BE in electronics and later joined a reputed IT company. His desire to pursue IAS was so great that he quit his job and succeeded in his mission. True to his ambition, he emerged Tamil Nadu's topper in the 2009 UPSC exams and bagged the 9th spot at the national level. Mr. Sandil has the experience of serving as an assistant commissioner in Bellary between 2009 and 2012 and held the post of the chief executive officer of Shivamogga Jilla Panchayat for 2 terms.
After serving an eventful stint in Muscat for 2 years, he joined the Presidency Group in 2008 as a director and revolutionized it with common curriculum development, common examination, performance enhancement in schools, school audit and quality control, staff development and training, nurturing sports, operating manuals, students mentoring and counseling, integrating ICT in all areas of curriculum, etc.
I heartily welcome each one of you here this evening. I also welcome those who are watching this program live on Namba Kudla Live 2 to be a part of this annual day celebration, and Dr. Nishar Ahmed, the chairman, and the management for their continual development of this institution, having emerged as one of the preeminent residential schools in southern India. This evening, I am excited to showcase an enactment influenced by H.G. Wells' noted novel, The Time Machine. I am sure the audience here will agree with me that the concept of time has always been mesmerizing, and fascinating. A theatrical production that proficiently binds music, dance, and dramatic skills in a way that is sure to leave you spellbound tonight. Thank you once again. Enjoy the show. Thank you.
One, no power can defeat me. I am Ashoka the Great, the Great. Ha 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 ha. What do I see? What do I see? Men dead? Women crying? Children with no parents to go with? What have I done? What have I done? Only killed? Killed? This blood around me makes my heart heavy. Is there anyone to decrease my suffering? Is there anyone to forgive me and help me out? Oh God, help me in my time of distress.
The Kalinga War was one of the worst wars in the history of India. 100,000 people died and 150,000 were wounded amid of war. The sight of such a carnage and massacre
Dapagасati, Trigamadapadapagasati, Trigamadapa Padani Sarinu Sadapa Padani.
It's District 78.
Recently, I read a WhatsApp from my friend, a forwarded WhatsApp. Some child in Dakshin Kannada has messaged, after Chacha Nehru, it is the DC who loves the children so much. Having said that, I'm going to keep it short. I always address the parents, not the children, because I think they are way ahead. So it's only to the parents, keep this happy atmosphere alive in your children. And I connect very closely to Presidency School because I think that is what they're trying to do. They're trying to go out of curriculum, trying to teach life to children. And I think that is the basic thing in education, which is now going to push our children to the next level in the coming days. I always keep telling, you might think board exams or the IAS exam is the biggest exam, but then life itself is a big exam. So I hope all the parents equip your children to face this exam and to come brightly, wonderfully well, and let them lead a very happy life. Don't make them, push them into a competition amongst themselves. It should be healthy and they should be always having fun. So having said that, please enjoy the program. I'm very happy they have done it in a different way rather than reading the annual reports and things. It's a very nice occasion for the children to exhibit their talent also. All the very best. Thank you.
Of the rich traditions followed from ancient India. It is an integral part of religions such as Hinduism, Jainism, Sikhism, and Buddhism. It is an established practice of spiritual relationship and mentoring where teachings are transmitted from a guru or a teacher to a shishya or a student.
Different streams of knowledge like Vedic, architectural, musical, or spiritual is imparted through the developing relationship between the guru and his student. The bond between the guru and his disciple is extremely sacred and is based on
He rested his head on his student Karna's lap and went off to sleep. At that time, a bee flew in from somewhere. Flying hither and thither, it settled on Karna's thigh. Within a few minutes, it began to bore Karna's thigh. Karna could not attempt to drive it away. Even a slight movement of his thigh would disturb his guru. So, in spite of increasing pain, Karna sat still. The blood touched Parashurama's cheek. He woke up and was taken aback by Karna's ability to bear so much pain. Surely he could not be a Brahmin and had to be a Kshatriya.
Guru Parshuram cursed Karna for not being honest, but soon realized that he had made a mistake himself. He finally blessed Karna that he would always be remembered for his patience and love towards Guru.
It is often the only monetary or otherwise fee that the student ever gives. Such tokens can be as simple as a piece of fruit or as serious as a thumb, as in the case of Ekalavya and his guru Dronacharya.
Ekalavya approached Guru Dronacharya to teach him the art of warfare, especially archery. Deeply hurt by Drona's rejection, Ekalavya still didn't give up on his relentless effort to master archery. In an attempt to learn, he hid in the forest while Guru Drona was teaching the Kaurava and Pandava brothers.
Ekalavya collected the mud on which Guru Dronacharya walked as a symbolic gesture manifesting his desire to gain knowledge and follow in the footsteps of his guru, and went into the forest to make a statue of Dronacharya. He initiated a disciplined program of self-study Eventually, Ekalavya became an archer of exceptional prowess. He accepted the statue as his guru and practiced in front of it every single day.
These days, we even dislike standing up in the presence of our teachers. We should respect them and discipline ourselves.
In ancient times, such discipline was inculcated through a development of the body, the mind, and the spirit.
I understand this was done through yoga. What is yoga? The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yug, which means to unite or join. Yoga is an ancient art and science of healthy living and not a manifestation of any religious practice.
Let's go back into the ancient time and have a glimpse of yoga.
Other than yoga, several classical dance forms and universities originated in ancient India, which is even popular today. I wish I could witness them too.
Bharatanatyam has been a solo dance that was performed exclusively by women and expressed Hindu religious themes, ideas, particularly of Shaivism, but also of Vaishnavism and Shaktiism. It traces its origin back to the Natya Shastra, an ancient treatise on theatre written by mythic king Bharata.
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्ग तुङ्गमालिकां तवड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणम् जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् प्रणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुर स्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेदुरे मनोविनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि ॐ नमः शिवाय सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय प्रफुल्ल नील పంకజ ప్రపంచ కాళిమ ప్రభావలంబి కంఠ కందలి రుచి ప్రబద్ధ కంధరం స్మరచ్చిదం పురచ్చిదం భవచ్చిదం మఖచ్చిదం గజచ్చిదాంధకచ్చిదం తమంతకచ్చిదం భజే.
We have seen you on television. Are you Dr. VK?
People don't know me as VK. They know me as Dr. Verghese Kurian. I started the Operation Flood.
What is Operation Flood?
Operation Flood refers to the flood white revolution in India and made our country self-sufficient in milk. Since I was associated with Amul, people also fondly call me the Dudhwala of India.
But how did you make India self-sufficient in milk just a short time?
There is no magic. It is hard work. I believe that by placing technology and professional management in the hands of the farmers, the living standards of millions could be improved. And not only that, I never ignored the role of the women in improvising our society, and this way
Burgers from McDonald's?
Yeah, I am famished too. We can use Zomato. I have that app installed on my phone. Wait, I'll switch it on for you. Here, take it.
No, no, please, don't throw the food in the dustbin.
But I don't want to eat anymore.
Don't you know what happened in India many years ago?
What happened?
What happened?
Millions of people suffered from starvation due to shortage of food in India from the 1940s to the 1970s. Some of the worst recorded famines were the Great Bengal Famine of 1769, Chalisa Famine of 1783, and Skull Famine of 1791. Epidemics accompanied these famines and made the situation worse for the survivors.
सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती का राग सुनाते हैं, जीवन का राग सुनाते हैं। गम को दूर हो जाता है, खुशियों के कमल मुस्काते हैं, खुशियों के कमल मुस्काते हैं। सुन के रहट की आवाजें, सुन के रहट की आवाजें, यूं लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे, लगे कहीं शहनाई बजे।
Ni hao.
Namaste.
I am Hyun Sang from China. I have come here to research the Buddhist manuscripts at Nalanda. I am exposed to rich learning experiences here.
Our school has over 2,000 students. How many students does this university have?
10,000 students are here. The buildings are enormous to provide a seating capacity for a huge number.
What about the teachers?
The faculty consists of great minds hailing from different parts of India.
Is the admission procedure strict?
The admission procedures are very strict and so are the rules. We have to strictly abide by the rules. But the best part is we have to not pay any fee. The expenses are met through the donations of His Maharaja.
This is so interesting.
Zai Jian, my research paper on Buddhism is waiting.
जाम्यो कालिंदरीने घाट छोगाड़ा तारा ओरे छबिला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेरो जुए तारी वाट रंगलो जाम्यो कालिंदरीने घाट छोगाड़ा तारा ओरे छबिला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेरो जुए तारी वाट रंगलो जशोदा माँ चोगाड़ा तारा ओरे छबिला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग भेरू जुए तारी वाट रंग लो हे रंग लो जाम्यो कालिंदरीने घाट छोगाड़ा तारा ओरे छबिला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग भेरू जुए तारी हे वाट रंग लो
This semester, all of you are passing with flying colors.
We hope the same, sir. There is so much we learn in half a day.
So now, what is your perception of our country after all these travels back in time?
We had a rich past, astounding when I suppose.
But sir, I believe our future will be brighter than our past.
I feel the same too.
Can we visit the future?
Of course, it will be more amazing. We have had the green and the white revolution. Then we have had the digital revolution too. Yes, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Paytm, Zomato and so many apps have come to ease our lives.
Let's see it for ourselves.
There is a shortage of water as most people look dirty, dusty, and disheveled. Some men are trying to use a gadget desperately and not even looking up, while others are fighting to get one gadget. But what are they frantically trying to do?
They all resemble robots without feelings, walking in a trance.
Give that tablet. It's mine.
Forget about it. I found it.
Give that.
Hence it is mine.
It's mine.
Let us have another nuclear war to decide who is the real owner.
We have destroyed 80% of the lush green planet. Why do humans fight and dig their own graves?
Sir, can you please stop them?
Humans have been fighting ever since history was recorded. The Kalinga War of the 3rd century was one of the worst recorded wars.
But why did most fights occur?
The fights were mainly to conquer and expand territory. Let's go back to the 3rd century and see the Kalinga War for ourselves.
कटेगा कहाँ पे छिपेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा उठा तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मारेगा बच सके तो बच ले आज भी है ये ज़लज़ला है पूरे जोर पर चला है किस्मत दम है जो लड़ा है कौन रह सका खड़ा है सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित
I dream of day.
Feel me twice, feel me more, what you do outside. What's there?
He's very late.
Where is this man? He called us in no time. I have patience waiting for me.
It's almost been an hour. When will Maddock come and share the reason for his priority meeting?
Don't mention him only as Maddock. Honor him and refer to him with his designation, Mr. Maddock, the time traveler. He is going to be famous soon. He must be in his lab on the verge of the successful completion of his near to impossible invention, the time machine. He said he is going to change the history and the perception of time.
Hurrah! Woohoo! I have done it. I have finally done it. At last I have done what no one in this wide universe could ever imagine.
What? What have you done?
What is it, Maddock? Tell us right now.
You have a breath, Maddock. Make it fast.
Wait a minute. I'm tired. Let me rest for a while.
A theatrical production that proficiently binds music, dance, and dramatic skills in a way that is sure to leave you spellbound tonight. Thank you once again. Enjoy the show. Thank you.
Takes the machine with its occupants into the past. This one takes us to the future. The other levers and switches are to monitor danger, heat, acceleration and speed to ensure optimum accuracy. This lever is for emergency landing.
This one? This?
Wow.
Wow, that's incredible. Can I show this marvel to a few students of mine? The younger generation must know how the future can change with this invention.
Sure, bring them on. I can explain.
Wow, what a splendid dance. It was so artistic. Have you seen the dances of today? It was such a contrast to the past.
Hey, show your signature step.
I love old Bollywood.
मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी। ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी। निकल पड़े हैं खुली सड़क पर अपना सीना ताने, अपना सीना ताने। मंजिल कहाँ कहाँ रुकना है ऊपर वाला जाने, ऊपर वाला जाने। बढ़ते जाएं हम सैलानी जैसे एक दरिया तूफानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी। ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी। ऊपर नीचे नीचे ऊपर लहर चले जीवन की, लहर चले जीवन की। नादा है जो बैठ किनारे पूछे राह वतन की, पूछे राह वतन की। चलना जीवन की कहानी, रुकना मौत की निशानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
Will you sing with me? Say D. Say I. Say S. I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं इसी का दीवाना। तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो। Go! I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. ये लोग कहते हैं मैं तब भी गाता था जब बोल पाता नहीं था। ये पाँव मेरे तो तब भी थिरकते थे जब चलना आता नहीं था। नगमों की मस्ती है मेरी जवानी में, है डांस मेरे लहू की रवानी में। यहाँ मेरी हार, यहाँ मेरी जीत, यही मेरे गीत। तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो। Go! I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा गाना, मैं इसी का दीवाना। तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो। I am a disco dancer. Hey! I am a disco dancer. डी से क्या होता है? आहा, दीवाना। आहा, डिस्को। आहा, डी से होता है डांस, आई से होता है आइटम, एस से होता है सिंगर, सी से होता है कोरस, ओ से
ये आवारा ही सही। अरे बोल राधा बोल, संगम होगा के नहीं। हर जन्म में रंग बदल के ख्वाबों के पर्दों पे हम खिलते। हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते। हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते। हाय हिलने नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे, हाय हिलने नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे। एक ठुमके पे सौ ताड़ियां, जब लग तेरा हिलती है बाड़ियां। एक ठुमके पे सौ ताड़ियां, जब लग मेरा हिलती है बाड़ियां। 24 घंटे मुंडे रहंदे मेरे आगे पीछे। हाय हिलते नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे, हाय हिलते नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे।
लगा सनसेट भाई तेरा फुल सेट है। मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा। देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को, तुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा। थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके, थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके, थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके, थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके, सारे 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 सारे।
I love the Bollywood dance.
Let's view the celebrations of Basant Panchami.
सारे देह नाम गुंजल रहे, सारे देह नाम गुंजल रहे। कुरसेला के जमीन पे अहिया ए मैया अहबा की वसंत पंचमी में हो। अहिया ए मैया अहबा की वसंत पंचमी में। सारे देह नाम गुंजल रहे, कुरसेला के जमी पे अहिया ए मैया अहबा की वसंत पंचमी में हो। अहिया ए मैया अहबा की वसंत पंचमी में।
I have loved India and sought to serve her not because of her geographical magnitude, not because of her great past, but because of my faith in her today and my belief that she will stand for truth and freedom and the higher things of life. Oh, how I wish to see my country independent and free from the reigns of the British, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the ever widening thought and action.
This is the fascinating story of how the rural paradise of Shantiniketan, Tagore's erstwhile home, became a thriving center of art, education, and internationalism over the years. At Tagore's behest, annual festivals such as Basant Utsav and Paush Utsav became important cultural events with students and teachers of Shantiniketan playing an active role.
That was truly a mesmerizing experience.
Let us see how people will study in the future.
music.
This is scary! Exactly. How can we be governed by robots? Humans created robots and robotic trains teaching humans.
This is really funny. Not funny, I would say a bit scary. What if robots turn against humans someday and destroy us?
How would you like to live, students? Close to trees or close to robotic trees?
Real trees, of course. Yes, didn't you be strangely how the future generation kids were behaving? Half robots and half humans. Moreover, the place looked very scary and full of robots, and they do their own way.
Now can you see how my time machine has helped you see the future? Now that we know how bleak our future looks, we have to mend our ways.
Good evening, all. Seeking God's blessings and thanking our Almighty for this wonderful day and for the smooth functioning of our program is our duty. Let us all rise and praise God for this beautiful evening, which we will cherish always. Kindly rise. Been the confluence of endless striving, the tireless work, as we from Presidency School Mangalore have put our heart and soul into this magnificent enterprise. Here are a few glimpses of our student striving towards perfection.
In the making of the time machine, you should acknowledge the hard work of all the teachers with a very big clap. And I want to take this opportunity to thank particularly a few of them who have been the pioneer in making all this stagecraft, dance, music, and the dramatic skills a great success. I call upon Mr. Prem Kumar Murugeshan,
Dr. Nisar Ahmed, our Vice Chairman and COO, Mr. Suhail Ahmed, our Director of Presidency Group of Institutions, Ms. Nafisa Tanveer Ahmed, and our Director Administration, Ms. Kausar Ahmed. Thank you, members of the Management Committee, for your support. I take this privilege to convey our heartfelt thanks to our Chairman, Dr. Nisar Ahmed, and our Director, Dr. G. Tangadurai, for their continued inspiration and motivation, without which our annual day would not have metamorphosed into such a grand event. Thank you, sir, for trusting us and facilitating in showcasing our talent. I would like to express a deep sense of gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Sashikant Senthil, the District Commissioner of Dakshina Kannada, for presiding over this program in spite of his busy schedule. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಇದು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸಿಬಿಎಸ್ಇ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಮಾರಂಭ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಒದಗಿಸಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಗಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂತಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿ, ಮಾಹಿತಿ, ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ V4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಮುನ್ನುಡಿ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಗಾಗಿ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.